Number 1. 1978 Harley-Davidson Superglide FXE, $8,500, Hamilton, Ohio. The 1978 Harley-Davidson Superglide FXE is a classic shovelhead that helped define Harley's performance-oriented lineup during the late 1970s. Combining unmistakable V-twin styling with strong aftermarket support, the FXE remains a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate vintage American motorcycles with timeless character and customization potential. According to the seller, this motorcycle starts and runs well while benefiting from numerous updates, including a custom paint job, new wiring, upgraded braking components, chrome front-end parts, and new forward controls. With a clean title and extensive recent improvements, this Superglide offers an appealing combination of classic Harley style and everyday usability. Number 2. 1975 Kawasaki KZ400S, $2,375, Kansas City, Missouri. The 1975 Kawasaki KZ400S introduced riders to a dependable lightweight twin that balanced practical performance with simple maintenance. Its compact size, classic styling, and reliable engine have helped the KZ400 earn lasting appreciation among enthusiasts looking for an affordable entry into vintage Japanese motorcycles. This original kickstart-only example has only 5,500 actual miles and retains its factory owner's manual along with the original Kawasaki service manual. The seller notes that it runs, but would benefit from a tune-up, making it an attractive project for someone seeking a well-preserved classic with a clean title. Number 3. 1980 BMW R80, $7,000, Placitas, New Mexico. The 1980 BMW R80 is one of BMW's respected air-cooled boxer twins, known for dependable engineering, smooth touring performance, and exceptional longevity. Airhead models continue to attract collectors because of their durable mechanical design and comfortable riding experience, making them popular choices for both weekend rides and longer adventures. The seller originally purchased this motorcycle new and recently completed an extensive restoration that included an engine rebuild, fresh paint, and numerous replacement parts. With fewer than 500 miles since the restoration and additional accessories included, this R80 is described as running great and appears ready for many more years of enjoyable riding. Number 4. 1979 Yamaha XS650 Special II, $5,900, Manhattan Beach, California. The 1979 Yamaha XS650 Special II remains one of Yamaha's best-known parallel twins, admired for its classic styling and enjoyable riding characteristics. This particular model is especially recognized for its distinctive black and gold finish and unique spoked alloy wheels, making it an appealing choice for collectors who appreciate well-preserved original examples. Owned by the same enthusiast since 1980, this motorcycle has been continuously maintained, garaged, and updated with OEM parts over the years. The seller reports that it runs well, rides nicely, and remains in near original condition with low original mileage. For buyers seeking a carefully cared-for XS650, this Special II offers lasting vintage appeal. Number 5. 1967 Triumph Tiger Cub T20M, $5,800, Morgan Hill, California. The 1967 Triumph Tiger Cub T20M is a lightweight British classic that earned a reputation for agile handling and simple mechanical design. Its compact 200cc engine and competition-inspired heritage continue to make the Tiger Cub a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate smaller vintage motorcycles with distinctive British character. This matching numbers example received a frame-off restoration several years ago and was recently recommissioned after long-term storage. The seller states that it starts reliably, runs well, and features desirable upgrades, including a racing camshaft and Boyer electronic ignition. With its clean title and restored condition, this Tiger Cub is ready for its next caretaker. Number 6. 1981 Suzuki GS 850G, $2,500, Torrance, California. The 1981 Suzuki GS 850G earned a strong reputation as a dependable sport touring motorcycle, combining a smooth inline-four engine with the low-maintenance benefits of shaft drive. Its comfortable riding position and proven reliability continue to make the GS 850G a popular choice among enthusiasts looking for a capable vintage Japanese touring machine. The seller reports that this motorcycle has a clean title, current registration, and has recently received extensive servicing, including a new battery, fresh fluids, and synchronized carburetors. Described as running strong and smoothly, this GS 850G appears ready to be enjoyed by its next owner with minimal additional work. Number 7. 1975 Ducati 860 GT, $7,500, Pagosa Springs, Colorado. The 1975 Ducati 860 GT is one of the most distinctive Italian motorcycles of the 1970s, admired for its bevel-drive V-twin engine and unmistakable styling. Produced in relatively limited numbers, the 860 GT has become increasingly desirable among collectors who appreciate Ducati's early engineering and classic European character. According to the seller, this low-mileage example has traveled only about 4,000 miles since its engine rebuild and continues to run very well. Featuring original paint, a 5-speed transmission, and kickstart operation, this Ducati offers an appealing opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a well-preserved vintage Italian motorcycle. Number 8. 1977 Honda CB 750K, $2,800, Burbank, California. The 1977 Honda CB 750K remains one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced, helping establish the modern superbike with its smooth inline-four engine and dependable performance. Nearly 5 decades later, the CB 750 continues to attract riders and collectors thanks to its timeless styling and outstanding restoration potential. The seller describes this motorcycle as a genuine barn find that has already been brought back to running and riding condition. Whether preserved as an honest survivor, restored to original specification, or customized into a cafe racer or scrambler, this CB 750K offers an excellent starting point for its next chapter. Number 9. 1950 Harley-Davidson Flathead, $18,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. The 1950 Harley-Davidson Flathead is a true American classic, celebrated for its rugged 45 cubic inch engine and important place in Harley-Davidson history. Original flatheads have become highly collectible, especially examples that have remained largely untouched and retain their authentic factory character after decades of careful ownership. According to the seller, this motorcycle spent nearly 20 years in indoor storage after previously running well and is accompanied by a clean title. Fresh fluids, a battery, and routine recommissioning are expected before returning it to the road, while the missing key should also be addressed. For collectors, this flathead represents a rewarding vintage restoration opportunity. Number 10. 1981 Yamaha Seka 750, $950, Madison, Wisconsin. The 1981 Yamaha Sekka 750 combined smooth inline-4 performance with shaft drive reliability, creating a practical sport touring motorcycle that remains well regarded today. Its distinctive square headlight, digital instrumentation, and comfortable riding position make the Sekka a memorable example of early 1980s Japanese engineering. The seller states that this highly original motorcycle has been stored indoors for the past decade after running well and remains complete with its factory components and clean title. While routine recommissioning will be needed before returning it to regular use, the bike appears to be a solid candidate for restoration at an affordable price.